Hello, my name is Suarez. During the last years, technology development has become an influential factor in the state and situation of the ecosystem. That is, technology has allowed us to develop initiatives that help with world current ecosystem. One of the most mentioned is the electric car at its work with natural energy sources such as the sun, included solar panels on water and even technology has allowed reducing the death rates in the world and increasing the chances of life of humanity powers as producer and increase in energy and the need for survival resolution progress in the development that humanity has done during the last decade. Therefore, technology aims to stability and developing modern times, improve and facilities people's living conditions. It is not safer to enjoy that. Thanks to these advances, technology has developed flexibility in some classes to presently and shape people's lives as it has discovered not at a social, military, and nuclear level. All these and many other things are in the face of technology advance. Government availability in the belief as repercussion and consequence that are reflected in the short or long term. Some perspective and the good thing that technology offers and its advances then slow the man. That every month, therefore, people from that place at least one the think tank process for ecosystem is same and they will be offered build them of it with producer daily in costume and or atmospheric one. Their forming biodiversity and if the relevant Suarez are not thanks to regular teaching advance, sooner or later we, we will end up in the world planet. Sincerity, thank you very much.